What's the meaning of bona fides? Bona fides. Bona fides.
Bona fides. Bona fides. The term bona fides refers to a person's honesty, sincerity, and good faith in a particular context. When someone has demonstrated their bona fides, they have shown that they are trustworthy and acting in good faith, often in a business or professional setting. This can be important when establishing partnerships, negotiating deals, or hiring new employees. Demonstrating bona fides helps to build trust and credibility, which are key components of successful relationships. Overall, bona fides are an important factor in determining whether someone is seen as credible and reliable.